Welcome back to Sunrise. My guest this morning is Sarah McCullough with the Mississippi State University Libraries. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
They have a really cool exhibit that we're going to talk about this morning. Tell us a little bit about what it's about.
This exhibit is called Famous Types, and it is an exhibit of typewriters who belong to famous people. It came about as a result of Mississippi State University Libraries' partnership with the Southern Literary Trail. And the Southern Literary Trail, in a sense, started here in Columbus. A few friends were talking during the Tennessee Williams tribute about 10 years ago, a few of those people from Columbus. They were talking about the rich Southern literary heritage and the connections between many of our Southern writers. So they developed a trail that covers Georgia, Alabama, and Mississippi and celebrates the great classical Southern writers. So as a result of that partnership and the trail's chairman, William Gant, we were able to acquire this exhibit, which is from the collection of Steve Soberoff, a Los Angeles civic leader who has amassed a collection of over 30 typewriters.
Wow.
That belong to cultural icons, mainly in American culture, some in British culture, and many of them are writers. We have 9 typewriters on exhibit in the library. Those typewriters belong to such legendary writers as Ernest Hemingway, Maya Angelou,
Wow.
Ray Bradbury, who wrote Fahrenheit 451, Truman Capote, George Bernard Shaw, Gore Vidal, and Tennessee Williams.
My goodness.
As well as typewriters that belong to John Lennon and Tom Hanks.
Wow, some really big names there.
Absolutely.
And you were saying it's already sort of been up and you've had people already interested in it, just going up.
Exactly. It opens today, so we welcome everyone to come to the library, but there have been people just strolling through the library who have seen it and thought it looked interesting, and we've already had over 30 people come through, so it's been very well received.
Yeah, I'm sure that's not something you see every day, that many typewriters all in one place, and not let alone
Right.
ones that belong to such famous people. And is this something that anybody can come check out?
Absolutely. We welcome everyone and would love for people to come visit.
All right. Well, Sarah, thank you so much for joining us this morning here on Sunrise.
Thank you.
All right. You have a good rest of your day. Let's send it over to Jacob.